Hi and welcome back to my channel. I decided to do a 4-month update today on my silver hair transition, and I'm going to tell you the total truth about how I feel about it, and it ain't pretty. Okay, first of all, my hair right now, I just got out of the shower, so it's partially wet. It's just drying right now. I don't think there's really any point in drying it all the way because it never really looks great anymore. This line of demarcation here is just really rough, and I think also the color here is very like brown and gold, and then my new roots are kind of a steely gray and white, so the contrast between the two is really rough. And it is summer, so mostly I just wear it up and in like a bun. So this is what it looks like down. I'm lucky that I have a super casual job and I can dress however. No one's really looking how I look at work, so that's perfect. But if I had to look very professional every day, this would be really difficult. I think I would just have to cut my hair super short or wear it up all the time. So yeah, this is it in its natural state. It is what it is, just keeping it real here. It's rough, but it's worth it. And I can tell I'm going to like it. My hair has always been kind of a dark brown, and I never really had a lot of contrast in my hair. But now I've got this silver and white combo, kind of salt and pepper. So this is the first time in my life I've actually had some sort of like highlight or color or dimension. So it's really cool. I've never dyed my hair blonde before, so I've never had light hair. And like, hello, I've kind of got light hair now. So that's the story with that. One of the things I really like about it is I don't have to spend the time coloring my hair. And also I am conscious about waste. And so when I would go buy the box of color that I would use, I could recycle the box, but a lot of the things inside weren't recyclable, like the tip of the cap, the gloves, all that stuff. And it just felt like really wasteful. And so I like that part, and I'm not wasting the money. So it's been good, and I'm definitely not coloring my hair. I am not going back. This is like full on, straight on, not going back at all. I don't ever think, gee, maybe I should color my hair today. It doesn't happen. But speaking of waste, I have purchased a year-long subscription to FabFitFun, and so I did do an unboxing before, but now I just got my summer kit. Well, actually I've had it for a couple weeks now. It's been sitting in the corner. I haven't had time to open it up, and I thought this is a great time to do. I'll open it up, I'll talk about my hair, and I'll show you what's in the FabFitFun box. And you know, a lot of times you see people who are really young buying this stuff. So is this FabFitFun box appropriate for somebody over 50? Will I like the stuff? Is it worth it? So let's get into it. Let's open the box and check it out. So this is how I usually wear my hair, just kind of up. And I should mention too that I did have a haircut. I took probably this much off, not a professional haircut. I actually let my 22-year-old son cut my hair because, like I said, I'm cheap. I don't like to spend money, and I've been wearing it up. So he just like trimmed the end for me. He's not a hairdresser. He just knows how to hold a pair of scissors, and that was pretty much the only criteria that I needed to get my hair trimmed. But it would probably look a lot better if I had a professional haircut, but I'm just kind of waiting. Maybe at the end of the summer going into fall, I'll get a professional haircut, but until then, my son can just keep trimming the ends of my hair. It works for me. So after I said that, and you know I'm cheap, let's see if what is in this box is worth it. Waste, but it's all recyclable, so that's good. Waste. Now, when I got the box and they told me it was time to choose what was going to be in the box, I did do a couple of add-ons. So that was an additional like $15. So I think this is one of the things, and I think this was like a kimono kind of robe thingy. So I'll open that in a minute. And this is a towel, I think. Okay, I'll open that in a minute. And here's the box. Ooh, it is pretty. This box is pretty. This box is pretty. But will I hold on to it and use it for storage? Yeah, I think I will. It's a pretty box. The last box I got was also really pretty. Okay, so I got my glasses so I can see. Ooh, this box is so pretty. Okay, FabFitFun with Eva Longoria. She just had a baby. Good for her. She's pretty. Her hair is pretty. I wonder if she's going gray. She probably is too. But she likes to dye her hair. Good for her. I got this, which is jewelry. So I laid this stuff out. I got this necklace with little stars on it, Jennifer Zuner. And it's pretty, it's delicate. I'd prefer it if it were silver. I may give that away. Then I got this exfoliating foot mask, which is perfect for this time of year when I'm wearing sandals. Exfoliate, polish, smooth, and smooth. And then I got this, which is the Generation Clay Lightning Purple Clay Mask. That's good. Definitely try that out. And then I got this Kula SPF 30 Makeup Setting Spray. That's great. 70% organic ingredients, SPF 30. That's perfect. Dr. Brandt's Pour No More Luminizing Primer. I could use that. And then I got these hair bands, which are great. I love these actually. They kind of stretch out, but I do really like them. I think they're really gentle on the hair, so that's good. Here's the teeny tiny blow dryer, and you can see from my hand just how small it is. I'm gonna turn it on and see just how powerful it is. And then I got this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray, Facial Spray. Not sure if I really need that. I don't, but it's kind of fun. Then I got this beach bag, which I do plan on going to the beach soon. It's summer now, so I'll make use of that, or I'll bring it on a cruise. And then I got this towel, which I'm gonna open up the towel. Here's the towel. It's one of these like circular towels. So it's not square, it's circular. So it's good for like the beach, or you could use it in your home too. But yeah, it's not too thick, it's kind of thin, but yeah, I'll use this towel. And then there's this, which is like a kimono. And I do like the color. I'm gonna try this on, and I'm gonna try the blow dryer, and I'll let you know. So that was my FabFitFun box, and it's fun. I mean, for $40, it was a box of fun. There was some waste, so using the waste argument against the hair thing doesn't really work out. I can recycle as much as I can, and I will give away anything that I don't use. But yeah, it's fun. I think it's a way to get like a gift kind of thing, like 4 times a year. And I'll leave a code down below if you're interested in signing up. And I will be updating my hair probably in another 8 weeks, because I don't think that a month really makes that much of a difference. But yeah, so if you're along in this silver journey, or you're thinking about doing it, I would say definitely do it. I don't regret it, but I have days where I'm like, what am I doing? And I catch a glimpse of myself and I don't really recognize myself, but you know what? That's okay. It really is. no matter how I slice it, no matter what I do, it's out of my control that I'm going to age, and I want to just take it gracefully, I guess. And aging is something that not everybody has the ability to do. So in other words, if your life gets cut short at, let's say in your 30s or 40s or even earlier, then you don't have the gift of aging. So really, growing older is a gift. Every day you get to live longer, be on this planet, spend time with your family, do the things you want to do is a gift. So why pretend like I'm in my 20s? I'm not in my 20s, I'm not going back, and this is me now. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be doing a cruise video soon. I did go on a cruise and I didn't do the video, so if you're here for the cruise video, that is coming. So have a great day and age gracefully. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.